To stay relevant today, learning has to keep pace with fast evolving medicine and technology to make a significant impact on care outcomes. Constant learning and updating skills of the healthcare professional for safe practice is important. With a world-class facility located in the heart of bustling Mumbai, India, Institute of Medical and Minimal Access Surgery Training is a center of learning excellence for healthcare professionals of today.
During our training period at the colleges or hospitals, we do not have a curriculum for minimal access surgery. We do not have the opportunity of seeing this equipment or even handling it. Hence, it is required that we train our nurses and technicians because it's expensive equipment, instruments that are involved during this surgery. This training program benefits the hospital in multiple ways. There is less downtime because of less wear and tear, breakage, as well as there is optimum utilization of the theatre. Plus, there are more surgeries performed and the patient gets the best benefit. This program is a very unique program, the only program in the country. We teach the nurses to handle the equipment, to take care of it, to clean it, keep it ready for the next day. Plus, reprocessing is taught. During this program, we also give them hands-on training where they are allowed to handle the equipment, stand as a surgeon, and keep another nurse as an assistant. They are taught how to focus a camera, hand over instruments, receive the instruments back from the surgeon, keep it back on the operating room table when the surgery is done.
Our students have really benefited by improving their competencies and skills of working in an OR, especially when they do suturing. They're able to do it really very well. And this has allowed our students to have a better opportunity and edge over other students. This increases their employment and the choice of getting a posting in OR. They also learn the latest technology for endoscopy and various other things in IMMAST.
ये हेल्प हो गई कि इंस्ट्रूमेंट कैसे हैंडल करने हैं, उनका केयर कैसे करना है, उनको ऑटोक्लेव कैसा करना है, इंस्ट्रूमेंट के नाम क्या है, ये सब उन्होंने अच्छी तरीके से सिखाया। और जब हम लोग असिस्ट कर रहे थे सर्जन के साथ में, तो सर्जन को भी ये पता चला कि ये कॉन्फिडेंटली काम कर रहे हैं और इनको सब पता है।
It was a 2-day course and we really got to learn a lot more things, like starting off with the preparations of the OT till the OT gets end. We got hands-on practice on the various equipments that are required during the procedures. What are the surgeon's expectations from the nurses? What are the various methods of maintaining the sterility of the OT room? It was a 2-day course and I would really recommend the other students as well as most of the nurses to come and take advantage of this course, because it was quite, the information that were given were by experts with lots of years, and they were giving their own, sharing their own experiences, and there was a lot of hands-on training that was given to the students as well as us. So these 2 days we learned from basic to complicated things like laparoscopy. The surgeries nowadays are quite a lot. In the theatres we see more laparoscopy surgeries, but hands-on experience we never get. In our simulated sessions in our colleges also we are not able to give, but a setup like this where we have a lot of scopes on which we can operate and the students can themselves handle and learn, so it was a rich experience.
I sent my OT staff for training in IMMAST nurses training program. They said was, now we know how everything is done. That means when they were tackling laparoscopy instruments, they knew all the instruments, they knew how to clean it, they knew how to store it, how to protect it, make sure they don't get damaged. And most of all, in the OT, when you ask for an instrument, the right instrument was placed in your hand. They feel a part of your unit, part of your surgery. There was a drastic change, and I feel this change has to be done in all the OTs across the country.